Hi students, coming to the next subject, that is a computer networks. Now let us see the introduction part of a computer network. Uh, First let us see what is a computer network. A computer network is a set of communication lines, a set of, let take the first, a set of communication elements connected by communication links. What it means? Communication links. What do you mean by this communication elements and communication links? I'm saying that a computer network is a set means some elements are there. A set of communication elements. You can take these communication elements as a computers, mobile phones, whatever it may be. Those communication elements connected by a communication links means here is a computer is there. A computer is connected, a mobile phone or a router. So these are all called as elements, communication elements. These elements are connected by communication links. Okay, so a link may be anything. It may be a wired or wireless. So that you call it as a computer network. A computer network is a set of communication elements connected by communication links. Elements are connected with the help of links, that you call it as a computer network. A communication elements may be, suppose these communication elements may be any of the computers or printers, or you can take the mobile phones or routers, switches, etc. So these are all, you call it as a communication elements. Means they are giving some communication, so that's why we are calling it as a communication elements. And what about the communication links? Communication links are nothing but the optical fibers, coaxial fibers, means these are the wires, twisted pairs, or you can take the wireless also. These are all comes under the wired links, and you can take the wireless also. The wireless are nothing but the radio waves, satellite communication, satellite communications or microwaves. So this is about the computer network. Means this is general definition, not the exact definition. A set of communication elements means those elements may be any computer, printer, mobile phone, router, switches. These elements are connected by communication links. So these elements, computer to printer or computer to mobile phone, can be connected with the help of wireless or the wired links. Okay, so that is a basic definition of the computer network. So these computer networks can be arranged by using some topologies. Topology is nothing but the arrangement of these elements. So these elements have to be arranged within the same place or in some other places. Okay, so these elements can be arranged with the help of these links. That structure you call it as a topology. Topology is nothing but the arrangement of elements and the links. You call it as a topology. This topology may be any of type, like ring topology. Means you can arrange these communication elements and the communication links in the form of ring structure or star structure, bus, tree or mesh. So these are the different topologies that we are arranging the system. That is total computer networks can be arranged in the topology like ring topology or star shaped topology, bus, tree and mesh. Okay, so here suppose the different routers. So this is one router and another router. So different routers are there, and the servers, you call it different servers are there. Servers are nothing but the systems. Okay, so different servers are there, and you are having, so these routers will be connected to the servers. Okay, so this complete arrangement, you call it as a computer network. So these are the group of elements: routers, and the server is a computer system, the server. So these are all the or you can take the mobile phones also, mobile phones. So these mobile phones can be connected with the help of wireless signals. These mobile phones are connected with the help of wireless signals. This everything arrangement, you call it as a computer network. So in this subject, we have to learn about different terminologies like what are these routers, switches, arrangements, topologies, and wireless and wired communication. Everything come to this under this computer network. Now coming to the exact definition of the computer network. Let me write the definition of computer network. Definition of computer network. A computer network is a system, so you call it as a system, in which multiple computers. So here the computers, you can take any of the elements. You can take the printers or mobile phones or switches or routers, anything. A computer network is a system in which multiple computers are connected to each other to share information and resources. So why we are connecting different computers in a network? To share information and resources. So that you call it as a computer network. A computer network is a system in which multiple computers are connected to each other to share information and resources. So here is one system. So here I am taking the multiple computers. So these multiple computers are connected to each other, so are connected to each other to share information and resources. How they are connecting to each other? With the help of the network. Okay, so with the help of this network, this system is sharing information and resources to this system, like in the network. So from here it passing to here. So with the help of the network, and this system is sharing the information like this. Means for every system, you can share the information to any of the system by arranging in the network. So a computer network is a system in which multiple computers are connected to each other to share information and resources. That you call it as a computer network. Okay, so this is the basic definition of the computer network. Thank you.